Welcome to Trucker Info, your go-to source for the latest in transportation updates, news, and events. "15 trucks and 10 cars were blown over Thursday when high winds associated with a tornado blew through south-central Michigan. The Michigan Trucking Association reported the trucks were blown over on Interstate 69 between Fowlerville and Williamston as part of turbulent weather that flooded parts of the state and knocked out power to some 415,000 customers. As much as 8 inches of rain fell near Detroit Metropolitan Airport, canceling 23 flights and delaying 60 others. Thank you for tuning in to Trucker Info, your ultimate source for transportation updates, news, and events. Stay on the road to knowledge by subscribing to our channel and hitting the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest in the world of transportation. Whether you're a seasoned trucker or just fascinated by the world of transport, we've got you covered. Keep the wheels turning and stay informed with Trucker Info. Safe travels.